Hi everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna be talking about how to set dark mode on Instagram. This is really easy and there are two different options in order to do that. The first one is go directly into our Instagram app and then go and to our profile, tap in the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, go into settings and privacy. And once you are into this menu, you must scroll down until you find the option accessibility. There, as you can see, we have captions and dark mode. If we go into dark mode, there are three different options: on, off, and system default. So by now, system default means that depending on what you have set in your mobile, this is gonna work as well into your Instagram. But you can let your Instagram always in dark mode if you prefer. So the second option you have on settings default is go into your settings mobile and then go into the option. Let me show you. I don't find it. Display. It is here, okay, with the sun on it. So as you can see, I have a scheduled dark mode, sunset to sunrise here. So if I go there, I can choose to disable this option and automatically it is always going to be in light mode or dark mode. So if in Instagram you have the option system default, so this is going to be a scheduled dark mode as it is in my mobile. And that's how you can do it. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like to the video, and if you want to leave any comment, please don't hesitate it. Thanks for watching.